Hi guys, so today we're going to solve another chemical engineering principles problem. Well, actually this problem is from the graduate aptitude test in engineering way back in 1997. Okay, so try nating sagutan and I hope that you will find it useful sa pagre-review natin. So the flow sheet is given in the figure below. So on this problem, ito yung i-consider nating flow chart. So we have a fresh feed with pure A flowing in 100 moles per hour. Then we have a reactor converting A to B. And then it will pass through the separator kung saan our pure B will be our product and pure A will be recycled back. Okay? So let's read again yung ating problem. If the single pass conversion, one's true conversion of A to B is 20%, then the rate of recycle R in moles per hour is A 300 moles per hour, B 400 moles per hour, C 500 moles per hour, or D 600 moles per hour. Well, I would suggest na i-try nyo munang isolve yung problem. Okay, so without going through yung solution na gagawin natin. So it is a good challenge to try and solve the problem first in order to see if we'll have the basic idea on how to solve this type of problem. Okay, so you can pause the video and try to solve it now. Alright, so given that time, so now we're going to solve the problem. So again, ito yung ating flow chart na ko-consider at ang hinahanap natin is ano ba itong R? Which is yung flow rate ng ating recycle stream. Alright, so we have to remember itong important na binigay sa ating information that the single pass conversion of A to B is 20%, okay? So in here, in our reactor, we have 20% conversion, okay? So we have fresh feed at 100 moles per hour, which contains pure A. And then yung product natin will be pure B. So, dito sa separator natin, we are recycling pure A. Okay, so what we have to do first is to do an overall material balance. So, kung makikita natin, isa lang naman yung entry stream natin at isa lang din yung exit stream. So, let's say our feed is F, okay, para mas madali natin siyang ma-identify. So, that means our F is equal to our product P. Okay, dahil isa lang naman yung entry at isa lang din yung exit stream. Okay, so if the feed is 100 moles per hour, it means that our product is also 100 moles per hour. Alright, so let me just write it this way para mas madali nating ma-identify, no? Alright, so what we are saying here is yung reactor natin is having 20% conversion of A to B. Pero yung pumapasok dito sa ating reactor is a combination of fresh feed at itong ating recycle R. So, para mas madali natin siyang ma-identify, let us name itong stream natin dito as M, which stands for the mixed feed. Okay, so if we are going to consider that mixing point, we have our feed entering here, which is 100 moles per hour. Okay, so let's say this is our mixing point. So this is the stream going through our reactor. So it is what we call M, which is the mixing feed, right, to our reactor. And then coming here is also our recycle. Alright, so meron tayong dalawang unknown dito, yung mixing feed and yung recycle, which is, ito yung ating hinahanap, no? So, let us find out first, ano ba tong ating mixing feed? Okay, so, ang hint natin dito is yung sinabi natin we have 20% conversion sa ating reactor. Okay, so knowing that our product is equal to 100 moles per hour, that means this is 20% of our mixing feed. Dahil ang pumapasok sa reactor is a combination of recycle and fresh feed, which in here we called M, the mixing product or the mixing feed. So 20% of this mixing feed is converted to product P, which is pure B. Okay? So, in that case, 20% of our mixing feed, okay, is equal to our product. Okay? Dahil yung mixed feed natin have 20% conversion. So, 20% ng ating mixing feed, tandaan natin yung mixing feed natin is pure A. Okay? So, let me write that. It's pure A. Because, dito sa ating flowchart, makikita natin that yung fresh feed has pure A and the recycled R is also having pure A. So, definitely, itong ating mixed feed has pure A. Okay? So, knowing that, alam natin that lahat ng M natin is pure A. So, 20% of that will be converted to B. Okay? So, dahil alam natin that our product is pure B. According to our chart. Alright. So, this means that 0.2 or 20% of our mixed feed is equal to our product, which is 100 moles per R. Okay, so therefore our mixed feed is equal to 100 over 0.2 moles per R. So therefore our mixed feed is equal to, let us use our calculator. Okay, so we have 100 divided by 0.2, which is equal to 500 moles per R. So let's write that here. 500 moles per R. Okay, so going back dito sa ating mixing point figure here, we can create our equation, which is the feed entering our mixing point plus the recycle entering our mixing point is equal to the mixed feed, which is exiting our mixing point. Okay, so ang hinahanap natin is itong recycle. So our R is equal to the mixing feed minus our feed. Okay, so we're going to use that here. R is equal to M minus F. So R is equal to M, which is 500 moles per R, minus our feed, which is 100 moles per R. Okay, so 100 moles per R. So that means our recycle is equal to 400 moles per R. So this is our final answer here sa ating problem, which is letter, what letter is it? Letter B sa ating mga choices. Okay? So, I hope this helps. Thank you very much and have a nice day.